Hi guys, welcome to Cook avec Dan and Cici. And this week we are doing a challenge. Last week Alex challenged us to make egg benedictine with sauce hollandaise under 4 minutes. Is it possible? Yeah. Let's do this. High five. Okay. Ta-da! Ooh. Woo. Oh boy. All right, let's look at this. Oh, nice time. Let's see how the egg is running. Yes, just like I liked it. Let's try this now. Is it good? I hope so. Yeah, it's very good. It's almost the same as like we do it the old-fashioned way, but super fast. Alright, this was a fun challenge made from Alex. I will put a link of the original video in Alex's channel right there. I hope you had fun watching this as much as I had, and salut Alex, j'espère que tu as apprécié. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next week. Cheers! Hey, there's my drink. So parched.